Interstate 26 between mile markers 99 and 110. Interstate 20 in... Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in central South Carolina, northern Sumter County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Eastover, or near McEntire Air Base, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Sumter, Bishopville, McEntire Air Base, Shaw Air Base, South Sumter, Eastover, Oakland, Elliott, Laurel Hill, Mulberry, Lee State Park, Sumter County Airport, Gadsden, Millwood, Maceville, Lynchburg, King Savannah, Dalzell, and Dinkins Mill. This includes Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 108 and 125. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.